Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
And today we're going to be playing Fireboy and Water Girl.
This is Ali Mae the Slime Expert. So today we're going to be playing a game on Friv. Yeah, as we've just said, Flyboy and Water Girl. I'm game winner anyway.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Where are my cherries gone?
Right, so if you don't know what this game is, it's on Friv.
I'm being Fireboy. Can we go on number one? Because I can play on number one.
This is number one.
Let me get cherries.
Right, so I'm going to be
Water Girl.
And she's going to be Fireboy. Right, go.
I would have started.
I'm gonna win you. Oh, it's going so slow. Faster, faster, faster. Faster.
Yes.
Why is it going dead slow today? Basically, I can walk through water and she can walk through fire. But both not allowed go in the green.
Because that's the mud. And if we touch the mud, we're dead. I can't see a thing.
Move from underneath you.
I'm stuck. Help me.
Now you jump on it. And then stand on that purple thing.
Could I just jumped up? Ha, 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 ha.
So what am I supposed to do?
Get on there and get on that and then jump on. And jump on. Like you press that purple. You press the purple button. He's sick. He's so sick.
Shut up.
Hey. Like them. Bye bye, I'm leaving you.
This is only level 1 and it took us 1 minute 34 seconds.
And I knew what it was about to start. La 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 la.
Stop eating your cherries.
I love them. Cherries are like the best thing.
As you can see, we haven't got a very good camera at the moment. We've only got a screencast
Oh, rubbish.
on Microsoft. But, yeah.
I always fall on that. Oh, no, yeah, I didn't fall on this part. Me first. I forgot my diamond.
Quick, quick, quick. I want 3 stars. So today we're only going to play 4 levels on today. And hopefully we'll finish them off on a later episode.
Yeah, we'll do part 2. We're gonna be. We didn't do. Maybe time.
We'll just go back to it. Next vid, we'll see if we can beat the score.
Part 2. Oh yeah, I'm Flyboy. Hey!
And then once we finish Fireboy 1 with you, we maybe can finish Fireboy 2. And Water Girl, sorry. I keep forgetting about the Water Girl.
Thank you. I love cherries. We're not moving.
Where am I?
Today. See if you can beat it. Quick! Let me go first on this. And if you die on this part, I'm going to go crazy.
Comment down below what video you want us to do next, and comment down below if you've ever passed Fireboy 1, Fireboy 2 or Fireboy 3. And if you have, how? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Oh yeah, you made it. I aren't jumping. If you died, then watch. I think we're gonna beat last times. I think we're gonna beat number ones. Can you press that for me? I'm gonna jump.
Don't even try.
Will we die?
Hurry up, hurry up,
I know it's gonna
hurry up.
get slow. 5 hours paying later. Nom nom nom. Quick, we're gonna beat our time. Quick, we're gonna beat our time.
We'll stand on it then. Ah!
Quick, we're gonna beat our time. Quick, quick. Quick. Go too slow. And we didn't beat our... What? We didn't beat our time.
Because the internet is rubbish.
I know. And if we get time, we'll do up to 5. We got B again. So should we? Number 3 is really hard. I can't do it.
Oh.
Stop! You're knocking the laptop.
If you have any questions for us, ask them in the comments so we can do a Q&A.
What's that?
Hmm?
Doesn't matter.
Q&A?
Yeah.
It's where they ask us questions and we answer them.
Aha! How are you beating me?
Aha.
Ha, no duck. I can't do this part. This one's
Oh
hard.
my god, and yeah, last night she cooked a cheesecake and it was so nice. So if you want to see more of that, like cooking tutorials, then ask down below in the comments section.
What? This is why I can't do this. No, you deaf.
Ah!
No! You died. You got started.
We got to start this level again.
We got to start this level again because he's so stupid.
How do we start again?
Press a button there.
Button, hello, button.
Oh, pardon me. Right, oh. You can see you in the camera. The camera's so small.
Oh my god, let's put the sound back on.
Beat you now.
Shut up.
Told you. And if you do fail on this one, I'm really going to get mad on you.
I'm really going to get mad on you.
If I fail, never.
Never, Trevor.
We're like on the same part.
No, I'm ahead of you now. Ha.
What? I can't
Oh
do
my
this.
god, I need to get back down. I lost one of the jewels. I might have to start again. No.
Yes, I'm beating you, Dak.
Shut up.
No. Make sure you don't fail this part.
You're going to fail on this part.
I'm not. I always do it on this part.
Now I'm beating you. So go have a poo. Because you know what to do.
What?
Go have a poo. Go. Oh, we're beating our time.
This level's so easy then.
Go have a poo.
Because
Ali may add a idea for the next video to do either a Q&A or Fortnite dance challenge. So if you want to see that, like down below or subscribe because she's really good at hard, but I can't do it.
I'm dead good at forces. That's my best high score.
Oh, we still gotta be them.
We've got 3 B's in a row. What? Now we're
This is the last level we're going to do today, and then hopefully in the comment section tell us which pathway you should go. Label the first one A, the second one B, the third one D, fourth one E, fifth one F,
E,
the sixth one G, and the seventh one H. Tell us down below which one you want us to do next.